Raviolis are a great filled pasta. Now, you may have these ravioli trays, but sometimes we don't. So how do you make them at home? Let me show you. You can use just a cookie cutter similar to this. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut out both a top and a bottom. So I can get about 3 out of these sheets. Putting that pasta to the side. Sometimes it doesn't work, but use that cookie cutter hard. Now, don't throw out that leftover pasta. You can use that in soups or freeze it for another day. So now that you have the top and the bottom, you're gonna take your filling. So I just have a ricotta and basil filling, and you're gonna pipe into the center. If this is your first time, use a little bit of filling just to be on the safe side. Now that you have your filling, use a little bit of water. We're gonna go around the edge. Then take your top, put it on top, and then working from the inside out, we're gonna press down, making sure that we don't have any air bubbles because we don't want an explosion in your water. And that's a ravioli. For more information, give us a call or visit our website.